At Calvin University, the study of human anatomy is both a scientific endeavor and a sacred responsibility. Every semester in the Cadaver Lab begins with reflecting on Scripture and honoring the individuals who donated their bodies to help teach future healthcare providers. Unlike at many institutions, our upper-level pre-health students don't just observe bodies or perform virtual dissections on a computer. They carry out full dissections themselves, guided by experienced faculty. This hands-on experience is transformative for students, expanding their appreciation for human variation and preparing them for the real work of caring for others. Our Christian perspective calls us to approach this sacred space with gratitude and reverence, remembering that each one of these individuals was created in God's image and honoring their incredible gift to educate the next generation of healers. For those called to a health profession, Calvin's Cadaver Lab prepares you for more than a career. It prepares you for a calling where faith, science, and compassion come together.